So good morning, y'all. It's UAlbany here. Today is officially moving day. Well, actually it's a little bit more complicated than that. Tomorrow is actually official moving day for returning students. I am a sophomore. However, because of COVID as well, I actually moved in last week. The majority of my things are already there. We had to move in a bit earlier. Not everybody, because everyone had a different scheduled day, but we all had to bring the majority of our stuff to school on a certain day to then be able to move in on the actual day, which is tomorrow. Not even today, it's tomorrow. They're doing that because, you know, they don't want everybody coming, moving up and down, everyone moving in at the same time, basically, because it is a lot of people. Even though a majority of the people at my school, at schools all around the whole country actually, are not even coming back to school for this semester. You know, people are still gonna be there. So yeah, I'm moving in today because I'm honestly very impatient. I don't want to wait until tomorrow because I know I have a lot of things to fix and stuff, and then class starts the day after because today is Saturday. So I was not gonna do that. So when I go up there and they be like, you know, moving days tomorrow, I'm be like, well, what are you gonna do, send me home? I'm already here. So yeah, it's gonna be real fun. So yeah, I did want to vlog a little bit last week when I moved in, but I totally forgot. I did include a little video from my phone and my camera was so dirty, like so dirty. I'm just gonna include that real quick so you guys can see what my room looks like empty. They say we can't have cortinas in here.
No?
It's like against regulations and shit. So it is very probable, if that's a word, I think it is, that this semester I stay alone. I have the room to myself. So hopefully that is the case. My roommate decided not to come back this semester. So yeah, that's kind of sad, but in some ways it is good because I do get to have the room by myself. But yeah, and I don't think my school is going to put anyone else in my room, because they would do that in any other occasion. They will be like, oh, you have the room to yourself, we have people on the waiting list, we're putting them in your room. But since COVID and things like that, they're not really doing a lot of room arrangements. So yeah, now I have to drive up 2 and some change hours to Albany. I'm from the city, New York City, and I'm going to school up in Albany. I go to school at the College of St. Rose. I am a sophomore. And yeah, if you want to see a little vlog or whatever, me moving in, a little bit of time lapse, please make sure to keep watching this video. Please also give this video a thumbs up if you're also returning back to school this semester, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to see more makeup, college, business, random kind of videos. Yeah, this is all going to be included here on this channel, so hit that subscribe button. Say hi, Mariani. Hey. Mariani, ¿tú estás negra?
Sí, sé que yo cogía.
¿A dónde? Oh, verdad que tú saliste. Look at the car. This is my whole room. Sí, y video también. Say cheese. This is the whole room to myself because my roommate isn't coming back. And oh no, yo no es así esta. Yo tengo una así, pero no esta. This is what it looks like. It's big as food. But now I gotta go to Walmart and buy more things. Like a mirror. Wow, like my mom, she's butt naked. I didn't really get a lot of footage today. I did just go out with my friends real quick. Went to Chipotle. I didn't get nothing to eat though because I already ate. We also went to Sprint because my friend's phone was messed up, and that's all we did. We about to have some fun right now. We're about to drink a little. Shh, we can't say that too loud. But yeah, we about to do that. And there might be a party tonight, so yeah. Corona who? Hey loves, so today is actually the first day of class. I finished organizing my room yesterday, which was Sunday, and I moved in on Saturday. I finished everything yesterday, Sunday, but at nighttime, and I feel like I did the outro kind of funny, so we're gonna do it again. So yeah, today was my first day of class. Everybody went to one of my classes. I have 3 today, and they're all in person. Thank the Lord, because I missed that face-to-face kind of action. Yeah, and I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour. I do have missing decor, but the layout of my room is basically done, and I want to post this video today so that it isn't, you know, too waited for, that people are just like, they don't even care anymore. Let's begin with my room tour. So this is like the living area in front of my room. I live on the 2nd floor, and yeah, so here's my door. You come in, and right here we have, I guess every room has this, I'm not really sure, but it's just like in memory. No, it says a gift of this person, don't know who they are, and I guess they gifted us this house. So I have my trash here and my Swiffer because I am an impulsive cleaner, or like I'm addicted to cleaning, so I always have it on deck so I can Swiffer my room around. Here is my closet. Well, they're both mine because I do live in a double room, but my roommate did not attend this semester, so I have the room to myself. And our closets don't have doors. So this is my closet. I have my shoes at the bottom. I got this right here from Amazon, and I just have towels in there, a few handbags. I have some other bags in there like totes and things like that, and I also have my hair dryer there, my work clothes up there. I have all my winter clothes here. People always be like, oh my god, yes, I'm going to Albany, I'm not bringing my winter clothes yet. They'd be like, I'm gonna wait till I go back for Thanksgiving break to bring all their cold weather clothes. And let me tell you, we have like a week of summer left. It starts getting cold in like October, like September, middle of September. So that's why I brought all of my sweaters, coats, jackets, and things like that. At the top here, I just have like my iron. I have a little scent thing there that spritzes out. I have my laundry things because I do have my hamper here too. Here, I have some boxes with my wigs in there, things to disinfect. I have my shower caddy, a whole bunch of tissue paper, Ajax, because I do have my own personal bath, so I use that to clean. And in this closet I stored all my well, not all of it, but most of my Yay Beauty inventory is here. Inventory in that box as well. Extra bags and stuff, and my makeup kit thing here. I put my makeup in there when I'm traveling. I have packaging stuff for Yay Beauty as well. That's all in that corner. And here is my shared bath. So it isn't private, it's a shared bath with the room next door. I don't have any decor in there. This is what it looks like. I have my shower here. Yes, that is the shared bath. I have this 2 little things there that was for my mirror, but I took my mirror off of there because the door is like slanted and the mirror was slanted, and I did not like that, so I left it not on the wall there. We come out the bath in this little corner area here. This is going to be my studio, makeup, and morning kind of like unwind area, all in this section here. So I call it my morning like unwind area kind of thing because I have all my snacks here and things like that. I have my coffee machine, and I might make a little cappuccino in a few. I have that all here. So when I get out the shower, prepare myself something, you know, something to eat, something to drink. These drawers here, it has like some school supplies and some prohibited things or whatever. I have an extra light thing. If any of y'all are from my school and y'all want one, please let me know, because I'm giving that away. I don't want that. The second drawer here, I have all my kind of like bathroom things, but in here, like my spritz, my perfumes, my hair products, nail things, my lotion, of course, my hair stuff. I got brushes in there, air freshener, and my medicines is all in this cabinet. So it's basically where you put it in the bathroom, just here instead. Have this little outlet here for all of my stuff. Got a nice big window. That is exactly why I picked this spot for my makeup. It's kind of messy, just like a little bit like this is garbage. This also belongs over there, but it is dirty. I need to wash it because I was eating some cereal last night. But here I have my sunglasses collection. I just pick out any sunglasses. I have a whole bunch, but there's like more underneath. I got a little mirror here. My Yay Beauty mirrors are coming out soon. Vaseline tissues, and look at this right here, guys. I got this from Amazon. Guys, it stores so much makeup that in any other time it would be like all across here, instead of is all in this one section. I'm so thankful that I found this. If you guys like it, let me know and I'll share the link with you guys. So yeah, I got my brushes, setting powder, foundations all fit here. And I have my light, my little light there, my tripod, and I have my big ring light. I will be recording from here and doing my makeup and things like that from this section. So now let's move on over here. Here I have my TV, and I have my little time thing. I don't really like that all these wires are out like this, but you gotta make the best of the situations. So yes, this is my TV. Here's my light. My mirror belongs right here, but I move it around occasionally to get, you know, better pictures with, you know, better lighting. The light comes in beautifully in this room because my room does face the west, I believe. So the sun is mostly on this side this whole time. It just like moves around all of the windows that I have, so I get a lot of good sunlight. But yeah, it usually goes right here. This right here is like a fan, but it's like a little personal fan, and I just have it on my bed because I be on my bed most of the time and I be kind of hot, so I left it there. King size bed. So it looks a little crazy right now. I feel like I should get more pillows and things like that, but I do have a lot. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pillows there. It just looks like that one because I have it in the back to help lift up the pillow, because this whole circular area is circular, so there's no wall for me to put the bed on. My roommate did not come, so I put the beds together. I think the best place to put it at was in the circle, so I just have to you know, work with my space. Like I said, I don't have like any wall to lean on kind of thing. This is basically what it looks like behind the bed. This is the bed here, but honestly, I have this really big king size pillow that I might get another one of because, yeah, just to fill up for the space. But yeah, this is what it looks like behind the bed. I have these 2 drawers, of course, but I'm only one person. Don't need that much stuff. All of my things are in this one drawer here, and I have that one there just to fill up the space. It's pretty much it. I have so much space on my bed that I throw a bunch of things on it, like my AirPod case, the whole water bottle over there. But yeah, and this area here is going to be my working area, so I have a few things thrown up on here already. I have my hand sanitizer, of course, that I was using. I have a planner. Yeah, this is gonna be my working area. I have a little lamp when I want to work in the dark. I will also be fulfilling my orders from right here. I have this random ass umbrella, So I will be getting my inventory, bringing it over here, printing out my shipping labels. I did bring my own printer because my school of course does have printing, but we have to pay for it, and I can't even put like my own paper in those machines. So I got my own so I could put in my sticky paper, of course, and I can stick that on your guys's packages and things like that. I have a few more packaging kind of things here, like extra ink. I have a bunch of paper in there, a few more extra syringes. This is my sticky paper, and my paper cutter is right here. And in the bottom drawer, I just have a bit more prohibited things, like a kettle. We're not supposed to have heating things in here. I mean, well, I could have my coffee machine, but there's not a external heating source to it, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, that's why I could have that coffee maker. But I do have a kettle in that under the little drawer there, and I have a whole bunch of feminine products. You know, my girls know about me, so I have that all in there. You don't need to see that because I have a bunch of them, so yeah, I don't need to see that. And yeah, that is literally my room. I have my gay beauty stuff, my studio area, my huge bed. I still want to get a rug for it, but of course I didn't want you guys to wait too long for this video, like I said, because then it's just gonna be like forgotten about. So I decided to, you know, finish it now. That was basically my room tour. But I do want to mention, because you can see it in my screen, of course, these beautiful mini bags. These are from xoxo or xoxo. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I will be putting it up on the screen. Like I said, I want to be promoting small businesses more, so please, if you have any small business, give us a follow on Yay Beauty. Everything is linked down below, of course, and you know, just give us a follow and let me know that you came from YouTube so I could give your small business a shout out. But I'm not doing this because she asked me. I'm doing this because I genuinely love these small bags. Like, I have so many friends that have purchased them because they saw me post it. So super duper thankful for that my girl is getting some love. I got this lilac, this like white alligator skin, and then this mint green. And they're like the best mini bags out here because you can remove these and just rock the handbag alone. There's also a belt kind of thing, so you can open this up and things, if you know what I mean. And I use them a lot on my waist as well. I just like kind of not tie it up, but like I loop it through because my skinny ass is not gonna fit on me. So basically what I do, I just make it tighter and then I just loop it through. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video because I'm legit sweating. Like, it's so hot in these dorms, you don't even understand, and it's hot outside already. So but yeah, I hope you guys loved my room tour or whatever. Move-in vlog slash vlog, what my move-in vlog slash dorm tour. It's your girl Yaylee signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you're also moving into campus. I know a lot of you guys are, some of you guys are not, but I'm excited for you all either way. Comment any suggestions and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell because I will be trying to post at least 2 times a week, either on Mondays or Thursdays. So those 2 days perhaps I will be posting. So hit that bell notification so you never miss out on a video. And yeah, your girl Yay signing off. I'll see you all in the next one.